Chef Sal was recorded on a cell phone in front of a fake audience.
They're like, hey, you know what? I'm not going to chew my spatula up. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. With no disgusting white sugar stuff. Hey guys, Chef Sal right here. That's right, Comedy Kitchen with Chef Sal, Season 9, Episode 2. Thank you, Episode 1 supporters. I think we got something like 1,100 subs already, just on that one little show. Unbelievable. Today, quick, fast. Listen, this is a high-protein dessert with no disgusting white sugar stuff. They're sweeteners. Oh, no. They're sweeteners. But it's good for you, I am telling you. 5 or 6 easy ingredients, all in one little machine in your Cuisinart. You throw them in there, you pop it in, boom, you're done. And you're not gonna believe what this is going to... Stop doing that. You're not gonna believe what this comes out to. It's like an ice cream mousse. It's a salted caramel, high protein ice cream mousse. Eat up, folks, because you're allowed on this one. Let's get going. Come on, other Chef Sal. Well, thank you again, Chef Sal, for nothing. Stop it. Get the Cuisinart ready. It's the only thing that's going to work here, okay? If not, I think they have Rent-A-Quais down the block from you. It's a very quick recipe. Few ingredients, so don't blink. You might miss it. Now, you have an option here. You can pulverize this before you put anything else in. I say go for it. Just keep sticking the stuff in here. That's what I do. 6 dates, pitted. You got to pit them yourself, folks. I like to use the Medjool dates. Very important. I like them because it's kind of fun to say. All right. So you pit them, you put them in, and for all you people say you can't ever get a date, just go to the supermarket.
Lame!
I know, that was cheap. It's what I do. Break them apart a little bit. You don't have to go chopping them up because it gets really sticky, and then there are household arguments afoot. And some vanilla. Teaspoon or 2. That's okay. You can never have too much vanilla. And you can use maple syrup. I'm using honey. Tablespoon at a time. 3 total. And I pammed this tablespoon too, for obvious reasons. I should just call this the sticky dessert. Ooh, that's good. And one more. You know, 1 and 1 and 1 is 3, folks, regardless of what they're telling you in the schools these days. All right. And you're gonna need an additional sweetener in there. And I have allulose. No aftertaste, look it up. That's a 1/2 cup. And last but not least, careful on this now. Sea salt. That's the big grains for all you people trying to play at home. And look what only I'm putting in here. Probably, I don't know, 1/4 teaspoon. Trust me, folks. It's cool because like you get a bite once in a while and it's like, ooh, salt, cool. Very cool. All right. You have one more thing to do. You can't possibly screw this up at this point. Pulse it first. And then let her run. Stop it and scrape it. Get it off the sides. That's the biggest culprit. And also on the bottom. But don't chew up your spatula because remember there's blades under there. People make that mistake. They're like, hey, you know what? I'm not going to chew my spatula up. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. All right, it's looking pretty good actually. I still got a couple of curds. No way though. I never knew what that meant. And we'll go back in. All right, been a couple of minutes. Oh yes, look at that. Look at that, you're done. But by the way, you're done. Just gonna take a taste. It's my job. Oh, that is perfect, folks, perfect. Now you gotta freeze this at least 3 to 4 hours. It tastes great now, but wait till it's frozen. It's gonna be 10 times better. This is it. Now you can have ice cream. I don't wanna hear, I can't have ice cream if my doctor said, dates! What? All right, I got excited there. Anyway, try this, folks. I'm telling you, you'll never go back to ice cream again. Except when you pass that soft serve place. Oh man, that stuff's great too. Oh my God. All right, you know what? Stop, just stop. I am Chef Sal. Try this salted caramel ice cream mousse. I do mousse in there too, all right? Do it all, and I will see you next time.